Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand the storage of your XIAOMI A Pro TV with a USB flash drive. So first of all, you have to prepare a USB flash drive or an SD card drive if you'd like to. It can be both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. However, 3.0s would be more efficient and will transmit data faster. So I recommend using USB 3.0. Then you're going to have to locate the USB port. It is located on the back side of your TV, and you can reach it from the left side. It's located at the very top, above all the other ports and connectors. Just insert your USB flash drive into it. Your TV will indicate your USB flash drive immediately. Then you're going to have to select USB here. And before you can use it as the internal storage of your TV, you're going to have to format your USB flash drive. To do that, you're going to have to navigate to Quick Settings on your toolbar, open Quick Settings menu, then go to All Settings, and after that scroll down to System, open the System menu, select Storage here, then select your removable storage and select Erase and Format as device storage. Confirm and wait until your USB flash drive is formatted. Okay. And after the format is complete, all the data will be erased from your USB flash drive, so be aware of it before you do that. It's important that you don't erase any important data from your USB flash drive. Then you can also move data from your TV to USB flash drive immediately if you want to. Then select Move Now. Otherwise, select Move Later. And now your USB flash drive is a part of your TV's internal storage, basically. So now if you want to once again start using your USB flash drive as a removable storage, select Erase and format as removable storage right here, then format, and then you'll be able to remove your USB flash drive safely. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.